Hello everyone, welcome to this edition of Dudley Fitness Living. I'm Dudley Alcides. This is the second part of our Fitness Genesis program that we started here. And right here I'm with Brendan Brown. Brendan, thank you for coming back.
No problem.
One of my co-workers, and last time we worked together on back injury prevention. And we're back here. Today we're going to be talking about lower back maintenance. So if you do have a pre-existing condition, we want to show you some exercises that you can do to help alleviate some of the pain that you might be going through. So Brendan is going to be coming down to the mat, and Brendan, you can start on your back. Okay, and Brendan is going to go into what we call a floor bridge. You're going to bring your feet all the way in, right under your knees, and that side. And what you're going to do, you're going to lift your pelvis and breathe. Okay, an exercise like that is very important because the good thing is your spine is pretty much protected, but this also stabilizing your pelvis. Okay, which obviously is moving all the time because you're walking, you're sitting, and so it's not only stabilizing your pelvis, but it's also recruited the lower back muscles, the lumbar muscles, okay, right now, keeping them tense, thus helping them to protect your spine. So that's basically, you can relax, Brendan. That's one exercise you can do for the lumbar that also will help the muscles that actually protect the spine. That exercise itself, you can hold it for 20 seconds, anywhere from 20 seconds to a minute. You can do anywhere from 2 to 3 reps like that. And go ahead, Brendan, lift the pelvis again. So now the next thing we're going to do is a pelvic thrust. Okay, so what it looks like, you're going to go down and up. Go down and up. See? And nice and control. As you go down, breathe in. As you come up, breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Okay, so that's the pelvic thrust. You can relax. That helps. Again, how many exercises should you do? 2 to 3 reps. Again, you can do count of 20 repetitions. 2 to 3 sets, 20 repetitions. The next exercise I'm going to show you, you can turn on your stomach. Okay, this is going to be an opposite arm, opposite leg. You can bring both arms forward. Now you can take one hand, put it, you can to rest your chin, and then what Brendan's going to do is point this toe, and you're going to lift opposite hand, opposite leg, up and down. Again, this exercise basically you can do it. You can go. Let's go a few more, down and up, and keep your head straight down. You breathe out, and then you breathe in, and then now do the opposite side. Same thing, up and down. That's it. Okay? How many reps should you do? I would recommend 15 reps. How many sets? 2 to 3 sets. How many times a week? Anywhere from 2 to 3 days per week. Last exercise, Brendan, is the cobra we're going to do. Okay? Again, to help with the lower back. Now, what Brendan's going to do, keep your feet on the floor. All you're going to have to do is lift your chest off the floor. Keep the feet down, and just chest up, down and up and down. Breathe out, and breathe in. Breathe out, and breathe in. All right, Brendan, you can come up. Now, again, how many reps should you do? I would say anywhere from 10 to 20 reps. How many sets? 2 to 3 sets. How many days a week? 2 to 3 days a week. And that should start helping you out. You understand? Okay, so Brendan, once again, thank you for coming along.
No problem, it's a pleasure.
Did a pretty good job. And again, we want to thank you for watching this edition of Dudley Fitness Living. Remember, if you're not fitness living, you're not living. Thanks for watching. See you next time.